In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and find saved posts on LinkedIn. Whether you're scrolling through your feed looking for insightful articles, job postings, or motivational quotes, saving posts can be a handy way to bookmark items you'd like to revisit later. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your newsfeed, which is the main hub of activity on LinkedIn. Here you'll see a variety of posts from your connections, companies you follow, and more. As you scroll through, you'll want to keep an eye out for posts that catch your interest and that you might want to save. This could be anything from an informative article, a promising job post, or even just a quote that speaks to you. When you come across a post you'd like to keep, take a look at the top right corner of the post. Here, you'll notice 3 small horizontal dots. Clicking on these will reveal a small menu. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Save. Go ahead and click on that. Congratulations! You've just saved a post to your LinkedIn saved items. If you find more posts that you'd like to save, you can easily repeat this process. Each time you spot a post worth keeping, just click those 3 dots and select Save. It's a straightforward process designed to help you accumulate a library of content that's accessible at any time. Now you may be wondering where all these saved posts are stored and how you can access them later on. To find your saved posts, head over to the left side of your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll see various sections available to you, including one labeled Saved Items. Click on this section. Within this area, you'll find everything you've saved, from job postings to insightful articles. It's all neatly organized in one spot for you to browse at your convenience. As you navigate through your saved items, you'll notice the posts you just saved appearing right there. This makes it easy to browse, review, and revisit any content you deemed worthy of saving. The simplicity and ease of access are what make this LinkedIn feature so beneficial. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily save and find saved posts on LinkedIn. The ability to save posts is a small yet powerful feature that can significantly enhance your LinkedIn experience by allowing you to keep track of the content you want to return to. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others who might benefit as well. Additionally, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon. This way you'll be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.